what are suspended impurities? Students, those impurities, those solid particles that are not completely dissolved in the water are called as suspended impurities, like mud, clay, sand. So the particles of the mud, particles of the clay and sand are not dissolved in the water. They are the solid impurities. They are the solid particles that are not dissolved in the water. So these particles or these impurities are called as suspended impurities in the water. Okay, students, वो impurities, वो गंदगी जो पानी में घुलती नहीं है, उन impurities को बोल दिया जाता है सस्पेंडेड इम्प्यूरिटीज। या फिर वो सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स जो पानी में पूरी तरह से घुलते नहीं हैं, उन सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स को बोल दिया जाता है सस्पेंडेड इम्प्यूरिटीज। फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक सैंड, मड, क्ले पार्टिकल्स एटसेट्रा। Okay, students, let's talk about the second type of impurities in detail. Okay, so the second type of impurity is dissolved impurities. As the name suggests, जैसा कि हमें नाम से ही पता चल रहा है, what are dissolved impurities? So dissolved impurities are those type of impurities that are dissolved in the water. Okay, वो impurities जो पानी में घुल जाती हैं, उन impurities को बोल दिया जाता है dissolved impurities. Now what are the examples of the dissolved impurities? ये dissolved impurities जो होती हैं, इनके examples क्या क्या हैं? तो sugar, salt, chemicals, etc. These are the examples of the dissolved impurities. Okay, पानी में जो impurities पूरी तरह से घुल जाती हैं, dissolve हो जाती हैं, उन impurities को बोल दिया जाता है dissolved impurities. Dissolved impurities के examples क्या क्या है मैम? तो dissolved impurities के examples हैं sugar, salt, minerals, gases, etc. Students, the third type of impurities are organic impurities. Now, what are the organic impurities? So, those impurities that come from the plants, animals or human waste. Students, वो impurities जो plants, animals और human waste से create होती हैं, उन impurities को बोल दिया जाता है organic impurities. Organic impurities के examples हो गए आपकी leaves, decaying plants, animal waste, sewage, food waste. These are the examples of organic impurities. Why these are the examples of organic impurities? Because these impurities are coming from the animals, plants, waste products like food waste, animal waste, human waste, etc. That's why these type of impurities are termed as organic impurities. Okay, let's discuss about the fourth type of impurities, that is microbial impurity. Now, what is microbial impurities? Students, microbial impurities are those types of impurities that is caused by the microorganisms. Okay, microorganisms are very tiny organisms. Microbial impurities are those impurities that come from the bacteria, protozoa, viruses, etc. If the impurities in the water are created by the bacteria, viruses, protozoa, etc., then the water is containing which type of impurities? Correct. Water is containing microbial impurities. अगर पानी में किसी भी प्रकार का माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म लाइक बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, प्रोटोजोआ एटसेट्रा, ये सब अगर पानी में ऐड हो जाते हैं और पानी को इम्प्योर बना देते हैं, तो पानी में किस प्रकार की इम्प्योरिटीज हो गई? पानी में अब पाई जाएगी microbial impurities. These microbial impurities are caused by microorganisms. And microorganisms are what? Microorganisms are very tiny organisms like bacteria, protozoa, fungi, viruses, etc. Okay, so